Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tayyib Shafiq and I am currently enrolled in my PhD studies in Shenzhen University in Biomedical Engineering. First of all, I would like to thanks the Pure Researchers platform to given me this opportunity. ये लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं to guide the students about different type of scholarships. They have different researchers on board जो कि अपनी scholarship जो जिस scholarship है वो different countries में है and they are guiding the students back in Pakistan and all other countries as well. तो मेरी आज वीडियो बनाने का ही मकसद था कि आई शुड गाइड ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म कि वो शेंजन यूनिवर्सिटी किस तरह आ सकते हैं एंड हाउ दे कैन गेट enrolled in this PhD program and what type of scholarships this university is offering and what type of benefits and perks they can get. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं PhD स्टूडेंट हूँ इन शेंजन यूनिवर्सिटी इन बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिसिप्लिन एंड 3 किस्म की स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं शेंजन यूनिवर्सिटी जो ऑफर कर रही है. इट्स बेसिकली लियोन इंटरनेशनल स्कॉलरशिप एंड इट हैज़ 3 क्लासेस, क्लास A, क्लास B एंड क्लास C. Class A they offer you 6,000 RMB, class B they offer you 5,000 RMB per month and class C they offer you 4,000 RMB per month and an additional assistant from your research supervisor as well per month. So जो ये क्लासेस है डिफरेंट स्कॉलरशिप की इनका जो क्राइटेरिया है एंड हाउ यू कैन गेट दीज स्कॉलरशिप्स. फर्स्ट टू गेट क्लास A यू हैव टू बी ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम द टॉप 100 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन द वर्ल्ड. आपका मास्टर्स वहाँ से हुआ हो तो आपको क्लास A स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी एंड इफ़ यू आर इन टॉप 300 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जहाँ से आप ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं देन यू विल गेट द क्लास B स्कॉलरशिप 5,000 RMB एंड इफ़ यू आर enrolled in graduated from any of the universities which are under top 800 QS ranking you will get class C scholarship जो कि पाकिस्तान के मेजरली स्टूडेंट्स को मिलती है क्योंकि हमारी कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी यहाँ पे ऐसी नहीं है जो कि टॉप 300 या टॉप 100 के अंदर आ रही हो. तो जो भी बंदा ग्रेजुएट होकर आएगा पाकिस्तान से दे विल ऑटोमेटिकली गेट अ क्लास सी स्कॉलरशिप विच इज़ 4,000 RMB पर मंथ. इट इज़ मोर देन CSE. इट इज़ द सेकंड हाईएस्ट पे स्कॉलरशिप इन चाइना equivalent to also because आप अगर क्लास C स्कॉलरशिप विन कर लेते हैं with that scholarship you will get an additional minimum of 1,000 RMB per month from your research supervisor as well. It's an obligation for all the supervisors in the biomedical school in Shenzhen University and all other departments as well. तो ये तो होगी स्कॉलरशिप की डिटेल्स. हाउ टू गेट these scholarships. First, get an acceptance. Acceptance mandatory for the PhD studies, and this scholarship is specifically for the PhD, not for the masters. So you need to get an acceptance. After getting an acceptance, you must prepare a good research proposal for your presentation because for the acceptance you need the CV, but after getting the acceptance you need to prepare a research proposal in the discussion with of your supervisor. आप उनके साथ बात करें कि what field specifically they are working into it. You have to develop a research proposal. After research proposal you have to आपको एक प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि आपका पैनल इंटरव्यू होगा यहाँ पे एंड उस प्रेजेंटेशन में आपने अपने रिसर्च प्रपोजल को प्रेजेंट करना है. विद दैट यू हैव टू आल्सो मेंशन योर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंसेस, एनी पब्लिकेशंस, एनी रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंसेस, एनी वर्क एक्सपीरियंसेस. यू हैव टू स्पेसिफिकली tell them about it and with that you have to present the research proposal. After that panel interview you will be selected or rejected and you will have wait for the results. So this is the theme of applying in the Shenzhen University for the Lyon International Scholarship. Why choose Shenzhen University? First of all, it's paying you a good amount, more than CSE, equivalent to ANSO. And second thing is this is a very vibrant city. Silicon Valley इसको कहा जाता है चाइना का and it's coming from Pakistan. I haven't felt that much of difficulty in food, in living, in any of the other stuff. So this city provides you all of those facilities. Other than that, the labs are really good. Specifically talking about the biomedical school, labs are really good. High technology, advanced equipment here as well, a lot of funding with the professors as well, so you can get a lot of good opportunity here. So that's why I chose this university and this city specifically. So these are the details about my scholarship and my city. So for that must believe in yourself that you can get this scholarship. आपको believe करना पड़ेगा, get a good scholarship, come here and excel in your field. And after that, after completing your PhD, there are a lot of postdoc positions as well here, so that's another way to go for you if you want to apply in this university. So this is the brief introduction and the facilities and why I chose the Shenzhen University and what type of scholarship they are offering. So thank you very much Pure Researchers platform to invite me to guide the students and to tell them about my journey and how to get here. So thank you very much.